In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below to head straight to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, click on the free trial option. Then, choose the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore everything Adobe Illustrator has to offer. Click Continue, enter your email address, and hit Continue again. You'll then be prompted to fill out a short form with your personal details and payment information. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until your trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before that. Once the form is complete, click Agree and Subscribe. Next, you'll create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, and then log in using the same email address you just registered. Once Creative Cloud opens, go to the Apps tab, scroll through the list, find Adobe Illustrator, and click Install. And that's it! Adobe Illustrator is now installed and ready to go. Start creating beautiful vector art, logos, and illustrations, and explore all the fantastic features that Illustrator offers. Don't forget, click the link in the description to try Adobe Illustrator and the full Creative Cloud Pro suite for free today. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.